Welcome. In front of me I have HUAWEI FreeBuds Studio, and I'm going to show you how you can connect this device to your iPhone. So at the first we have to grab our iPhone, then move to the settings, go for the Bluetooth, and then turn on Bluetooth. After that we have to grab our FreeBuds, then we have to click on this button. So click and hold, and as you can see, indicator is right now working. It's on the yellow color, and then we have to click on this Bluetooth button to put them into pairing mode. So click and hold, and as you can see right now, the indicator blinking on the white color, and it means that they are in the pairing mode. So we can easily choose this device from the list right here. So click, and as you can see right now they are connected. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!